come to male reproductive system. ऑलरेडी डिस्कसन कली मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम कौन कौन ऑर्गन प्राइमरी सेक्स ऑर्गन सेकेंडरी सेक्स ऑर्गन तो ये आम डायग्रामेटिकली देखा लोकेशन कौटी कौटी को ऑर्गन्स प्रेजेंट रही. दिस इज योर मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. The oval shaped structure is testis. Pair of testes present in both sides is left testis and right testis. Okay. Then the testis present in a pouch-like structure called scrotum. This is the pouch-like structure called scrotum. Then above the testis is C-shaped structure that is highly coiled structure called epididymis. Okay. Then the testis is attached to the scrotum by gubernaculum. They are the mass of muscles called gubernaculum. Okay. Then the testis attached to the pelvic region by spermatic cord. The human male reproductive system located in the pelvic region or in extra abdominal region. Okay. Then a tube, then it epididymis, a tube arises here. This tube is called vas deferens. The vas deferens. Okay. The vas deferens here, the vas deferens is मतलब देखो अच्छा जो accessory glands रहोगे these are two accessory glands one pair accessory gland that is called seminal vesicle. तो vas deferens जोट जाएंगे vas deferens ए ट्यूब टा जाको पूरा जाइए तो seminal vesicle रो भी गोटे ट्यूब आसी से दीटा को जोटी आसी कि मिसी जंती that particular duct that a portion that called ejaculatory duct. Okay. Ejaculatory duct. Then this is prostate gland. One prostate gland is present. Two seminal vesicle, one prostate gland. Then almond another gland below the prostate gland is the Cowper's gland. Okay, this Cowper's gland is also called bulbourethral gland. Then this structure is called ureter, arises from the urinary bladder. Then this tube vas deferens ejaculatory duct is जो tube टा आछि this tube is called urethra. In case of human male the urethra both urine and semen passes, so urethra is called urinogenital tract. Then the last structure, this structure is called penis, the copulatory organ in human male. Okay, this is all about your male reproductive system or different organs of male reproductive system. Okay, then देखो ये सब जगह हमें इन डिटेल्स ये टेस्टिस दिबा टेस्टिस कोठी प्रेजेंट रहउची तार स्ट्रक्चर कोन देन तार माइक्रोस्कोपी स्ट्रक्चर कोन देन डिफरेंट सेकेंडरी सेक्स ऑर्गन में पड़बे सब तुम्हें जो क्वेश्चन लिखुव कि एनी टाइप ऑफ जूलॉजिकल डायग्राम कर सब डायग्राम तले डायग्राम रो नाटा मेंशन करूथुबो ओके एग्जाम रे सेटा मस्ट लिखुथुबो तो एबे द मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम रो फर्स्ट ऑर्गन टेस्टिस so testis is the primary sex organ already coincidentally it is the primary sex organ. A pair of testes present in both side pair of testes produces spermatozoa and secretes spermatozoa or sperm secrete male sex hormone that is androgen or testosterone. Okay, then the testis is present in the scrotal sac which is present in the extra abdominal region that is scrotal sac. Scrotal sac is also called scrotum. Scrotum means it's a pouch like structure okay जहाँ भीतर की testis टा present रहुछि. The temperature of the scrotum is 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius below the temperature of abdomen region or abdominal cavity. Okay, so scrotum रो temperature टा always 2 degree Celsius or 2.5 degree Celsius कम थाए than the abdominal cavity. Why? What is the reason? Because inside the scrotum the testis is present. The testis produces spermatozoa sperm. For maturation of sperm the temperature needs that is body temperature थारो 2 degree Celsius or 2.5 degree Celsius कम दरकार पर temperature. That's why the temperature of the scrotum is lower, 2 degree lower than the abdominal cavity. Okay, testis is surrounded by covering by 3 layers. The outer layer is the outer layer. This is the structure of testis. The outer layer is called tunica vaginalis. Okay, the middle dense layer, this is the middle layer. The middle dense layer is called tunica albuginea. Then the inner layer, ये जो देखो ये टोटल लेयर टा ये लेयर वाला पूरा ये वाला this layer is called tunica vasculosa. Then each testis contain inside the testis I mean the microscopic structure देखिबा testis को each testis contain 255 of compartments. गोटे टेस्टिस रे 250 टा कंपार्टमेंट एई भले ए जो कंपार्टमेंट तो ये गोटे कंपार्टमेंट ये गोटे कंपार्टमेंट ये गोटे ए भले 250 compartments are present inside the each testis called testicular lobules. Okay, then come to the histology of testis or transverse section of testis. आमे the testis को transversally section करिबा तो आमे कोन देखिबा को पाइबा देखो each testis contain 250 compartments called testicular lobules. तो each lobule ए गोटे lobule को यदि तुमे देखिबो एटा को यदि हमें माइक्रोस्कोपिकली देखिबो एटा हमको किछि ए भला स्ट्रक्चर देखा जिवो. तो each lobule contain again 3 to 4 seminiferous tubule. These are the seminiferous tubule. एटा गोटे सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूबुल, एटा गोटे सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूबुल, एटा गोटे सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूबुल, एटा गोटे सेमिनिफेरस, तो एटा हला गोटे कंपार्टमेंट। ओके, तो एटा हम पुणी जतले हम आ गोटे सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूबुल को पुणी अगेन जतले हम ताकू पुणी अगेन माइक्रोस्कोप रे ताकू जतले फोकस करबा तो सेटा हम कोन देखियो पाइबा ईच सेमिनिफेरस ट्यूबुल कंटेन or its seminiferous tubule is surrounded by germinal epithelium. Okay, the seminiferous tubule is called germinal epithelium, and in between the germinal epithelium there are another type of cells present, elongated cells present, called Sertoli cells. Okay, these are the germinal epithelium. Then each germinal epithelium repeatedly divided mitotically to form spermatogonium or sperm mother cell. Okay, first there is divide है sperm mother cell formation that is called spermatogonium. These are the spermatogonium. Then each spermatogonium form again सेटा तुमरा डिवाइड है कि डेवलपमेंट रे जो कहतली गैमेटोजेनेसिस प्रोसेस रे सेटा आसी कि कोन हुए फर्स्ट ऑफ तापरे दिस प्राइमरी स्पर्माटोसाइट भाषा एफोरेंसिया कॉल्ड भाषा एफोरेंसिया हला देन 12 to 15 भाषा एफोरेंसिया फॉर्म 12 to 15 भाषा एफोरेंसिया जो डॉक्टर्स करा एरा कोन हे जी नै जो ट्यूनिका अल्बुजिना रे परफोरेट करी कि बाहर हो जाइछन टेस्टिस बाहर हो जाइछन बाहर हो जाय दे फॉर्म द एपिडिडाइमिस हमें जो करथिले मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम रे डायग्राम रे टेस्टिस ऊपर जो सी शेप स्ट्रक्चर थिला दिस स्ट्रक्चर okay, then secondary spermatocyte okay, then these are the spermatid. Okay, then these spermatid undergo another process called spermiogenesis to form spermatozoa or spore. These are the spore. Okay, then the seminiferous tubules are connected by different connective tissues and blood vessels. These are the connective tissues and blood vessels. Then another type of cells present in each compartment is called Leydig cell. Leydig cell. These are the Leydig cell. ये जो clump है कि थांती group है कि थांती Leydig cell or also called interstitial cell. This Leydig cell secrete the male sex hormone testosterone. Okay, then देखो this is the seminiferous tubule तो ये सब ले this is the TS of testis. Okay, come to this diagram. The seminiferous tubule 8 is the side compartment. These are the seminiferous tubule. A diagram में ये सब बोलते हैं seminiferous tubule, convolute seminiferous tubule. This seminiferous tubule come to join a network structure. The network structure is called network-like structure is called rete-testis. हला बहुत सारा seminiferous tubule मिसी के उड़े network वाला structure तैयार करते हैं. This network structure is called rete-testis. Then the rete-testis forms then epididymis. तो epididymis कौन है ना देखो एटी कौन है seminiferous tubule सेमन मिसी branch like structure तैयार कर rete-testis. rete-testis रो बाहरला भाषा एफोरेंसिया देन बहुत सारा ट्यूब मिसी के भाषा एफोरेंसिया देन भाषा एफोरेंसिया रो ट्यूनिका अल्बुजिना दे परफोरेट करके बाहर के आसला टेस्टिस रो बाहर के आसी तयारी कला कोन ना एपिडिडाइमिस. तो एपिडिडाइमिस इज ए कॉइल ट्यूब. ओके, इज ए कॉइल ट्यूब to 5 meters in length. So it is highly called, देखो its structure देखो it convoluted है, highly convoluted है कि और होता है. तो भाषा epididymis, again the epididymis has 3 parts, that is the head part, the middle part is also called body part, I call that is the body epididymis, then the tail part. Okay, the head part is called cowfoot epididymis, and the tail part is called coda epididymis. Okay. So the bhasa efferentia leads to cowfoot epididymis, then the cowfoot epididymis, then as like more body part, then the tail part is called coda epididymis. The coda epididymis again leads another long tube is called vas deferens. Vas deferens. Then the why the epididymis is so called, because the maturation of spermatozoa occurs inside the epididymis. Okay. Another called the Wolffian tube embryo give rise to epididymis in adult. Okay. Then ताले epididymis रो गोटे part जो head part, that is the cowfoot epididymis leads कोड आसला ना भाषा efferentia रो. Then the last part is the coda epididymis, which leads to another tube that is called vas deferens. Okay. तो एबे आसबा में vas deferens. So vas deferens then come to vas deferens. तो vas deferens देखा ट्यूब से रहबो टू साइड रे. तो vas deferens जो रोची, तो vas deferens that is a tube structure. Vas deferens is arises from the coda epididymis. Okay. Vas deferens is also called sperm duct. Okay. तो जो फर्स्ट टाइम जो तो एठी तो vas deferens टे the sperm duct टा कहो छि ना urinary bladder. This is urinary bladder. Okay, this is vas deferens. Okay. The urine bladder को एक छि loop करिकी, okay, abdomen न पछ देकी ये आसी की कोठी आसी पहुंची छि ना seminal vesicle. The seminal vesicle रो गोटे it receives a duct from the seminal vesicle. The seminal vesicle रो गोटे duct receive करछि, that duct is called ejaculatory duct. Okay, then it passes through the prostate gland. This is your prostate gland. Passes the prostate gland to the urethra. This is urethra. Okay. Then come to urethra. So this is urethra. So urethra is the muscular duct which, or by urethra, both semen and urine passes. So urethra is called urinogenital tract. Okay, and the urethra has 3 parts. The 3 parts are the first part, तार लोकेशन अनुसार urethra रो लोकेशन अनुसार तार 3टा पार्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू द लोकेशन. urethra रो जो पार्टटा ए जो ट्यूबटा आसे देखो एटा इजाकुलेटेड डक्ट हला, ए जो ट्यूबटा आसे एटा हला यूरेथ्रा. तो जो पार्टटा प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड पाखरे अछि, प्रोस्टेट ग्लैंड को पास करके जोटा आछि, दैट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड प्रोस्टैटिक यूरेथ्रा. The middle part is called membranous urethra. Okay, and the last part, the part, this is penis. The part which is passed through penis, that part is called penile urethra. Urethra opens to the penis by male urethral meatus or orifice. Okay. Then come to penis. Then come to penis. This is the structure of penis. Okay. Now, the penis is the external genitalia of male, or it is the copulatory organ of male. It is a highly vascular, spongy and erectile structure. Then the enlarged end of penis, this is the enlarged end of, or the tip of the penis is called glans penis. Glans penis, which is covered by a smooth or loose skin called prepuce, otherwise called foreskin. Foreskin. Okay. Then there are three. यदि हमें TS of transverse section of penis को जिबा, there are, देखो इठी, there are three longitudinal spongy vascular erectile structure present or erectile tissue present in the present in penis, which are filled by blood during sexual excitement. So these are the three erectile tissue. The erectile tissue present only in penis, not other organs of body. So these two are corpora cavernosa and one is corpora spongiosum. Okay, the corpora spongiosum is surrounds the urethra. This is the urethra. This is the TS of penis. Then penis is the copulatory organ and it transmits sperm to the vagina of female during sexual intercourse. एबे हमें देखिबा accessory glands. तो हमें already आगे जाने तीनटा accessory gland in case of human male: seminal vesicle, prostate gland, then Cowper's gland. This is Cowper's gland. Okay, come to seminal vesicle. देखो एडी डायग्राम देखो, the seminal vesicle present at location कोडी तो behind to the urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder रो पछरे रहउची कोडा seminal vesicle, and it contributes 60 to 70% of total semen. The pH is 7.4, that means slightly alkaline in nature, and the secretion consists of fructose and prostaglandin. The fructose gives energy to the sperm and the prostaglandin protects the sperm. Then come to prostate gland. The prostate gland, urethra पहले कहथली, the prostate gland कोड ना, it surrounds the urethra. Okay, and सेमिनल वेसिकल रे तुम्हारा वन पेयर सेमिनल वेसिकल त माने नंबर है 2 इन नंबर, one pair. Okay, but prostate gland is only one, and it surrounds the first part of the urethra. It contributes 15 to 30% of total semen, and the pH is the 6.5. The different secretions the semen consist of here citric acid, albumin, and fibrinolysin. Okay, then come to next gland, that is the Kaufman's gland. The Kaufman's gland otherwise called bulbourethral gland. The Kaufman's gland otherwise called bulbourethral gland. Okay, and it is beneath the urinary bladder and behind the urethra. It is slightly alkaline in nature, and the Kaufman's gland lubricate the penis and it neutralize the urine. These are the different glands. Okay. Then come to semen. Okay. The semen is the mixture of sperm and the secretion of epididymis, vas deferens, then seminal vesicle, prostate gland, Kaufman's gland. Okay, तो sperm और ये सबूर duct और gland रो total mixture को कहा जाए semen. The pH of semen is 7.3, which is slightly alkaline in nature. Okay, then the movement of sperm in urethra is called emission. ये term मुरा मन रखिबो. Okay, then another term is the ejaculation. What is ejaculation? A forcible expulsion of semen out of the penis into the vagina of a female during sexual intercourse is called ejaculation, and an average ejaculation is 3 to 5 ml of semen emitted by a man, and it contains 300 millions of spermatozoa. Okay. Then come to pathway of sperm. Okay. The sperm sperm it is produced by the primary sex organ, that is the testis. The sperm is testis ru first testis, then testis ru asbo kodi rete testis, then rete testis ru asbo kodi vasa efferentia, then vas deferens, then vas deferens to ejaculatory duct, then urethra to penis, then penis to female genital tract. Okay, तो देखो testis रो it is like rete testis रो vasa efferentia रो epididymis, then vas deferens रो असो कोडी की urethra रो तीनटा पार्ट, फर्स्ट पार्ट हला तुमर कोडा prostate urethra, then membranous urethra, then penile urethra, then penis through female genital tract. This is the pathway of sperm. तो एबे मु तुमको पूरा डायरेक्ट पूरा फर्स्ट टू लास्ट जाके आउट थरे कहि दूची क्विक रिव्यू. ओके, दिस इज योर मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. एट सेक्शन डाइनिया हैछि मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम. Okay, the male reproductive system consists of different organs. First on the primary sex organ is the testis. Then ଆମର ଯଦି ଆସିବ testis, why it is primary sex testis because it produces sperm and also secretes the male sex hormone testosterone. The TS of testis shows different lobules. The lobules contain seminiferous tubule. It also presents one type of cell, that is Leydig cell, which secretes male sex hormone testosterone. Then the seminiferous tubule joins to form a network-like structure that is called rete testis. Rete testis arise some ducts, fine ducts. These are called vasa efferentia. Then vasa efferentia perforate करची tunica albuginea, the middle layer of testis, which covers the testis, to form epididymis. Then epididymis vasa deferens. Then vas deferens तुमरा आसी पहुंची कोडी आसी पहुंची urinary bladder को कोन करची लूप, एट द लूप फॉर्मेशन करके से पहुंची तुमरा जो seminal vesicle दे पास करची. it also receives a duct from the seminal vesicle. तो दीटा जांक मिसी के another duct तयारी करछन, that is called ejaculatory duct. Then ejaculatory duct lead करची कोडी की ना urethra. Then urethra आसी पहुंची urethra. Then after the penis, the urethra, the last part of the urethra is called urethral meatus or urethral orifice. The urethra, through urethra both semen and urine passes, so this is called urinogenital tract. 3 types of glands: seminal vesicle, 2 seminal vesicle, 1 prostate gland and 2 Cowper's gland. Okay, these are the this is total male reproductive system. Then what is function of male reproductive system? The male reproductive system simple function कहली already कहि सल्लिनी कौन करछि. it produces a sperm and it secretes male sex hormone, that is androgen or testosterone. Okay, it's all about the male reproductive system.